Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 9, Pre-Production and Line Review Meetings. In this video, you will learn what is a pre-production meeting, who should attend a PPM, key topics covered in PPM. Example, PPM discussion points. What is a line review meeting? Real-world scenario. Tools to use in PPM and line reviews. What is a pre-production meeting? Think of it as the kickoff for bulk. If this meeting is skipped or weak, problems are likely to show up during production. Definition: a pre-production meeting is held before bulk production starts. Its purpose is to align all departments, QA, production, merchandising, etc. Discuss style-specific requirements. Identify potential risks. Plan preventive actions. Who should attend a PPM? QA manager, QA team lead. Production manager, line supervisor. Merchandiser, buyer representative. IE team. Cutting and finishing in charge. Fabric trim store personnel. Key topics covered in PPM. Buyer's quality standards. Technical file review. Measurement, construction, specs. Sample approvals, size set, PP sample, etc. Critical operations, embroidery, washing, printing. Defect prevention plan. Testing and inspection schedules. Any learnings from past styles. Example, PPM discussion points for a polo shirt. Topic, notes. Fabric by cotton, confirm shrinkage test passed. Print chest logo, confirm registration and fastness. Construction collar attachment often shows puckering, adjust SPI. Packing fold method updated, new polybag size approved. What is a line review meeting? This is like a health check at the start of bulk production. It ensures everything is ready and working correctly. Definition: a line review happens when production starts. QA, production, and IE teams walk the line together. Check machine setup and operator skill. Review the first output. Verify that PPM instructions were followed. Real-world scenario, skipped PPM consequences. Situation: a factory skips PPM due to time pressure. Bulk stitching starts. After 2000 PCs, buyer finds incorrect collar shape and rejects the lot. Lessons: no review of PP sample. Construction change not communicated. Preventive action missed. Result: rework, shipment delay, and buyer complaint. Tools to use in PPM and line reviews. PPM checklist, customized by buyer style. Tech pack printouts. Approved sample reference. Skill matrix of operators. Initial QA report format. Photos of critical operations. Quick summary, Module 9. PPMs and line reviews are essential for quality planning. They prevent issues before bulk starts. All departments must align on expectations. Use proper checklists and review critical points. Always document meeting outcomes. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 10.